Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get verified on Threads app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So first of all, let's go ahead and open our Threads app. Threads app is basically an app by Instagram itself. You can see I'm logged in. So for example, if you would like to get verified from Threads itself, what you can do is you will have to have an Instagram account. Without that you cannot access Threads, obviously. And once you've done creating an Instagram account, then what you will have to do is you will have to go to your Instagram and you will have to make sure that you are here in your Instagram, you are verified. Tap on this three horizontal line, tap on the settings option, and now what you're going to do is tap on this option called account, and now tap on this request verification. You will have to be verified here in your Instagram as well for you to be verified there in Threads. So once you're done doing that, you will have to come over here and you will have to fill all of the necessary information asked by Meta. Once you're done adding that, you will have to tap on this submit option, and where you will be able to get verified from Insta first, and then you can finally be verified from Threads, because Threads basically access the existing account of your Insta, right? So you can choose to add all of the information correct of your Instagram and you can get verified. So this is the way for you to do it. Other than that, you will have to make sure that you have enabled two-way authentication security measures as well, because Threads asks for that permission right there in Instagram. So yes guys, this is it. If you got more questions, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.